Hi folks, today we will be unboxing our Formula 1 cars. So we have a couple of premiums, a couple of mainlines and the 5 packs for the Formula 1. So today we will be unboxing this and see how the build quality of one of the most hyped Hot Wheels of the year 2025. So let's rip it right away. So this is the first, we are doing the 5 packs. So we'll go with the McLaren first. Not bad with the build quality. Here. This next one. Which one you like out of the 5? If you want to vote for the 5 packs. There's the next one. I like the wheels on this one. This is, I got the premium for this one as well, since I have this one. So this is the 4th one, and the last but not least is this. So this is the 5 pack out of the way. So this is the Red Bull, one of the most hyped car of the year. Well, this mainline, $2 mainline, people sold it off for 10-15 bucks as well. At the beginning, price has been hyped down. What do you think? So we have Red Bull, but right off the back, one thing I'm seeing, if I open more main lines, I can comment more. The mainline version is a bit more shiny than the 5 packs. I'm not sure if I can show you guys in the video clearly, but the Red Bull, the paint shines a bit more on the mainline rather than the 5 packs. Anyways, we keep them here. I'm keeping the pack. I will show you later on why in another video. That's why I keep the cards. This one first, the premiums one. So this is the McLaren number 4. Whoever the driver is, I forgot his name. Let me get this out of the way. We don't want to damage the car. That's why we're taking some time. Bear with me, folks. And it's out. So this is the McLaren Formula 1 Premium. The rubber tires, it looks premium, it feels premium as well. And the difference is that this one's the drivers like they don't have any unique helmets. This one has the unique helmet of the driver. And if you compare with this and this, the paints look different as well. This one is a bit light. It has a number 4 in it. The other one does not have it. Mainline one. Okay, moving on. Let's crack it open, the Mercedes one now. I think this is the Lewis Hamilton version of it. I'm not sure if this is the one, but yeah. So we have 2 left. Let's go with this one since we're opening Mark. This is the mainline version of it. The difference is pretty significant if you compare the mainline and the premium. So, last not least, we have Williams.
Thank you once again for watching this video. I'll be sharing a closer look of this car today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment below. Let me know in the comments which F1 car you like the most in 2025.